Today, I stepped into the best spot in Accra, Ghana, a local restaurant that was building up my crown. We're here with Mommy, the owner of this beautiful establishment. She told me the name, but I can't pronounce it. I had the best banku and fufu here in West Africa, Ghana. Can you tell me the name of the establishment again?
Okay, my name is Unforgettable, and this place is called Domchonga.
Okay.
Yeah.
How long has this establishment been open?
Around
13 to 14 years. And you serve banku, fufu, and
most of the times we
okay, yeah. We're doing cassava fufu. So you get the cassava from the market and then you get it here and you peel it and you start beating it. Okay, so how long is this process? How long does this take to do?
So wow, how could I come out to me? Take you how long?
Some of the best is I'm going
Alright, how long have you been doing this?
Exactly what I'm over 22 years.
22 years is started pounding.
So every day they purchase the cassava fresh from the market, then they come here and start beating the fufu. And you have been doing this for 22 years. Can you beat it like that, see? And he has to do this for hours to get the fufu right. He has to keep beating while he's turning. This takes hours to do, to get it right. I couldn't just wait. I rolled up my sleeves because I had to help create. I grabbed that heavy pestle and I started to pound, the fufu rising up as I drove that mortar down. The people started laughing, said they'd never seen this before. An American in Ghana doing what the locals adore. Oh, this has a nutty flavor. I'm tasting the palm nutty flavor. It's peppery. It's nutty. The fish looks fresh. Let's taste the fish. Nice. Yeah, I'm eating the banku with the palm nut soup. This is so good.
So on TikTok, I'm only on TikTok.
Okay.
So on TikTok, the name is Unforgettable on TikTok. Then this place is called Domchonga Warehouse.
And where is this located, in Medina?
Yes, Medina.
Alright, thank you so much. I enjoyed the meal and I'm going to be coming back. This is the best banku and fufu I've ever eaten.
Yes, the best.
The best.
I said you want kenke?
Yeah, I want kenke, the fermented corn.
I will eat it some before.
I've never tried it before.
Hey.
Today's going to be my first.
Hey. What's the US?
You're making the kenke?
Yes.
Alright. Is it good?
Yes,
Is
nice.
Is it going to be the best kenke in
Yes.
Ghana?
Yes.
Okay. I can't wait to taste it.
Fish.
We got
Fried
some
fish.
fried fish right
Yes.
here. She does the best kenke in
Yeah.
Accra, Ghana, so I'm
Yeah.
gonna taste it. Everybody knows her. This is where you get the best kenke in Ghana. And I'm gonna taste it today. I'll tell you about it.
Kenke here, kenke. 20 good years.
You've been doing it for 20 years?
25 good
25
years.
years.
Yes. It's good kenke.
This is the best kenke in
Yes,
Ghana.
yes.
She has been doing it for 25 years. Everybody
Yes.
says she's the best.
Yeah.
what is kenke? Can you tell me more about kenke?
Yebeka banku. It's called aflata.
A plata.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeka yeria. Yebe mix it with corn dough fresh.
Corn, fresh corn dog.
Yeah. Urea. Na yet. You mix it a bit.
Okay.
You put it here. You do it
And you put it on.
In the pan.
You put it in the pan.
Yes.
And after you put it in the pan,
Like 100 pieces, they can cook about 100 pieces.
200 pieces.
of it
Yes.
In a big saucepan.
in a big saucepan.
Yeah.
You add water.
And you add water.
Boil it for about 1 hour. How many hours?
You do it like this.
So can I eat it like this?
No.
But you can have it this man. It doesn't have to feed you, but it's not good for you to eat it like this. It's not well cooked.
It's like corn, fermented corn. And then you put it down, you put it in the water.
The saucepan.
Or you put it in the saucepan. Okay. The big one right there. And then you boil it. So how long do you boil it for?
5 hours.
5
or
hours.
3 hours.
3 to 5 hours.
What do you eat it with after?
Spicy chili.
Do you eat it with chili after?
Like a chili sauce.
Do you have any ready right now?
Yes.
Okay, I want to taste it.
The fish is not ready.
Fish is not ready.
Yeah.
How do I eat it?
Yeah.
I just
Wash your hand.
how do I?
Same like you eat the food.
Oh, okay. And I
But
just,
this is very spicy, so don't
so this is spicy.
more. Just a little bit.
This is tasty.
It is
This
tasty.
is fermented corn with a lot of spice. You can taste all the flavors in it. This is really good.
Thank you.
I could eat this every day.
So with this, you can try with the peanut butter soup.
So this would be good with the peanut butter soup. This,
Yeah.
what's chinam? This is
Chinam.
chinam.
Yeah.
It's hot.
She just got it from the. It's hot. She just got it from the fire over there.
Yeah.
It's hot, sizzling. But the kenke is so good, Doc. I'm coming back for the kenke and the kenke water. I want to cure all malaria.
Yeah.
The fish is still so hot. You just got it off the fire. But I'm still nibbling on the kenke. So good, so flavorful. Fermented corn, very good. She was telling me the water off this cures malaria. So I'm gonna be coming back for some of that water. People come here every day just for that water itself and to eat kenke. Let's see if the fish has cooled a little bit. Still hot. Still so hot.
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 It's called kenke water.
So this is a kenke water. They say this cure malaria
Yeah.
and a lot of other things. So I'm gonna try it. It tastes like fermented corn water. It's pretty good. Smooth, fermented, corny. It tastes like corn. Corn water. Fermented corn water.
Smoke. It's called for whistle.
Owisi?
Yes.
That's a local name for smoke.
Smoke, okay. So the local name for smoke is Owisi. Thank you.
Yes, yeah, no. It made the big fire or been by order at the crowd. Yes, no, must say. So you are hot, not a doctor said, I can't, and you so you don't put me by one. You bet strong, yeah, nothing a bay as a crash bomb with some on the bab boy. Yes, I said, almost a million number fires when you can convince no more. Now, I'm boy, I 25 years, you are Medina, Zone 10, for the asset, police quarters. Thank you. I love you.
Yo, me did the queer free. Your Becca beans. Becca beans are share the beans. Any cocoa, any cosia, any pay, any air was say. Beans no a nice pie. Ya share beans national 25 years. Ya mammy any activity. You were Medina Estate. You were action school down. One year, Diana. Obano pa, yenina, many workers in a year, Juma. You're not being fine, you fine. Sometimes so far, and you make a crow, nobody eating in every we are, and still come pipe, come on, I didn't want. Ye all your mammy so one my friend, I was one and what the other at my yet, dear mammy penny. Toya money yet dead. Becca beans, dear. Overhasia. A Diana, come. One hour servers. A walk with three. I did serve your customers. It's Becca beans, dear. Overhasia. Ubanya Diana, Pia, who pay piano at a wedding. Diana, come up. For see and nice. Your mother was a fair come. I'll watch ship of honor. Am I nice? Nay, a woman so I do my work. Omut me several customers. Come. And see a customers need a phone dear broker. And Becca beans, dear. Madina, dear. Becca beans, dear. Yet is one casa. Beans near dead. You said a Becca beans, yea, piano. One was a metacha was say, for no air day. So we're beans, yea, Nana, send you beans, Nagasa. And come here, a natural piano. Aha, it's a guy near there, man. Or so how they Becca beans. You want Gary? Let's make the curry kakra and your busu, please. You want red oil or fried oil?
Which one is that?
This one is fried oil.
Yeah, give me that one.
The shito one. Aha. Then you know, wow, won't show me no. Shito ni new. Add the pa. And the fried oil. And the yes shito come. Yeah, everyone. Thank you. It's here. You say what the Becca beans and piano. Then I need chicken. Let's see some red oil. Waha. So your red oil. Right or your red oil, egg and swan, and your baby, maybe I know egg. And see our couple, so come. I actually find oil in there. Upon it, nice. Upon it, your papa. And Papa, upon it, what? Now what the account? It's in your bed, man. Almost was super sweet. The egg, so let me the egg to a deep. I'm money yet dead. It's Becca beans here. Madina, Madina Estate.
Alright, so I'm gonna try it right now.
Try why? Becca beans here.
The Becca beans.
Yeah, Becca beans.
I'm gonna see if it's real. They say this is the best place to get Becca beans. Looks delicious. Let's try it.
Yeah.
This is soft. This This is 4 spices in this pepper. 4 branches. 4 branches in this becca bean. This tastes good. It's soft. It's smooth. It has a nice aroma to it. A nice nutty taste. I don't know how they get this flavor, but this is good. It tastes like pancake and pancake syrup. I'm gonna try some with the plantains. If you want good beans, you should come here in Medina. This is so good. How did you cook the beans?
But your beans, you know, said the end one and say, what is your best? What is your nisu a who we are? Who may ye beans? I am here fine. We are now the goods you knew. Over money, come on, let me open up for some.
So good, beans are so good.
And the beans in the and one come, account be any. Ye beans, and far account and two. Becca beans, and far account to your beans. It's your beans. Mamma, sorry, Yamma, your friend, or sorry, 2 o'clock, no, their basis now being about 6 o'clock.
Don't eat beans every day. This beans is so good. What a go, man. What a go. Beans and plants are so good.
Until soon, I was after it.
So good. I love it.